Hello guys, hello. Today I am playing this game with voice record. Let's start the game. Who will come? Who will come? Guys, I play this game a long time and this is my favorite game too. Anyone come please? Oh, he is a noob. Oh man. No. Yeah. That is a good team. Start. Why they stop? Oh no. Oh man. I need some pro players. Okay, no worries. I am a pro player. Okay. Doctor dialogue. Yeah, guys. Okay. So let's. Oh my god. The girl is gone. Now I am alone. Shush. No ways. Okay, no worries. I am a good player and a pro player. Let's go room 1. This is a tips. He first shift there are no any anomalies and he need this ribs. What is called this? Herbs. Okay. DNA. Guys, what you think? You rate this game? How you rated that? Comment down below. Okay, that's oh complete. And this guy, what is your name? Oh, I don't know. Photo, no anomaly. I know. Print, no anomaly. Leo Lee. Leo Messi. Leo Messi. Okay. Guys, he needs that. That is a plus point of a trick. Don't you? Come. Okay. Guys, we lock in on sanity. That is so important. Dried eyes. Okay, apply. Yes. First shift completed. Shutters option. Shutters open. And look. And shift report. Excellent, yes. Okay, let's take the coffee. Sanity is so important. My Suzuki. Hey, wait. Okay, let's see the picture. He is a good guy. What is his name? My Suzuki. Okay, go. Next. Guys, we need another person. He treat the patients and I am checked. That is we have okay patient as a patient, camera, register, screen, back. How many Leo are there? I want to know. Okay. Come. I feed me into show. Photo, register, and print badge. Okay. Okay. Now treat the patients. Where is the first? OMG. Okay guys, you have to do this. Fever. Oh my god. Are he is a anomaly? Oh my god. Okay, let's check him. Okay. What is that? Watch. Oh, okay. I know what give him. Okay. Now room 3. Yeah. DNA. And what the damn? Result? What is that? Bleeding. Where is the bandage? Let's give him bandage, and the second is second shift is completed. Let's see what is the uh, oh my god. Oh shit. That. Guys, today I don't have time to record. That is part 1. Part 2 come next week, and hope you guys stay long, and goodbye. Bye bye.